I guess my list that I got to get cut today, or that I'm going to cut. It's a little bit of everything. I got one started over here on the mill, and just like that last one, I found the center of the tree, and then I leveled the pith up with where the level was, and I got a couple cuts off of it already. I just did the same with both ends. Found center. I had to lift this other end up just a little bit, put a shim under it, just so that we were level on each end. Set up there on the mill. I was gonna film watching or showing me flip this log over and everything, but the camera didn't want to stand up. So I got her tipped over or flipped over. Don't have to wedge this side anymore because I got that other edge cut flat. So we're gonna go ahead and cut this one flat and keep cutting down just slabs out of it right now. We got a nice couple blue pine slabs here, 2-inch and a 3-inch on the mill right now. It's got some quarter on grain in it. Nice straight lines there. About 18 inches wide. 18, 19, somewhere in there. Alright, I gotta change the blade on the mill here. I figured I'd open these doors and let you guys see what's in there. Not much, just a wheel, belt, and the blade and everything. You always want to make sure you got your good leather gloves on. The blade's still sharp, new or old or whatever. So just fold it up, take it down to the shop and get another one and put it back on there. Whenever I change the blade on it or end of the day or whatever, I try to clean up all this sawdust that's packed inside here. I don't know if you can see that very good or not. Normally gets quite a bit of sawdust built up, so I normally just like to clean it out, keep it all clean, ready to go for the next time. Alright, I got her all cleaned down inside there and got my new blade. I'm going to put it on there. Be ready to cut again. Got the blade on there. I'm going to come around here and tension the blade up, this lever, and come around and look at the tension on it, and it's good to go, it looks like. So we'll run it just for a couple seconds and make sure it's all aligned and riding where it's supposed to and everything. I just measured up each end here. Once again, got the pith center with the tree. I'm at 9, just over 9 inches on both of them there. And the other end is right at just over 11 inches. So I got to lift up the operator end there to get the two level. I got her right just over 11 inches on this end, and I'll check the other end. 11 and a half. That should be close enough. We got a 2-inch slab coming out of the center of it. We'll see if the camera will stay stood up this time. Take the clamp off there. Uh-oh, he fell down again. Take 2, take 3, something like that. There, I got them all flipped over. I'm gonna cut the tops off of them at 40 or 14 inches. I put the block in there for a couple different reasons. One is so that my clamp wasn't pulled too far back, and also it protects the wood a little bit. So here's our 2x14. The last one's gonna have a little wane on it, but I cut them longer than needed, so it shouldn't harm anything. And it also only needed to be 13 inches wide, so I was just cutting a little extra wide just for a little more wiggle room. So I think these are gonna become countertops eventually. And glue them together, and I don't know if they're gonna get epoxied or not, but now's the fun part. We get to cross that one off, and that one off. Now we just have the cookies to cut. I might just make that another video. I know I've got a little short kind of video that I first put on YouTube, but I'll go into a little more detail how I do it and everything. So thanks for watching.